Alright, thanks for tuning in again. We're going to be building the fixture for this chandelier I made. I've got these polished brass pieces from Grand Brass that I want to patina so they look like this antique brass finish. So I'm going to use this Surefin patina here, and you mix it with just a little bit of water and put a thin coat over it. Now I'm going to assemble all the parts into the fixture. This is a great job for your assistant to do, if you have one. And to keep all these threads in place and keep things tight and not moving on it, I like to use a little bit of Loctite. It's like glue for the threads. Now this part's really tricky to get the wire in and screw it on. You have to unscrew it so that the wire twists the opposite direction, and then when you screw it on the correct direction, the wire ends up in the correct place. And you have to have all these wires at about the same length so that they're easy to bind together at the end. Once I have them all stripped, I like to twist the ends so that they're easier to get into the wire nut. And you also have to make sure that you get all the neutral wires together. There's a little groove on the side of the wire that lets you know whether it's neutral or hot. And so that's important to know. And if this part's too intimidating for you, just call an electrician and he will or she will help you out. Alright, let's test it out. Success. Alright, let's hang it up. So there it is with no glass on. Looks good. Let's put the glass on and see how it looks. Gorgeous. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and sign up for notifications below. Have a great day.